Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be fired over here at Universal Studios Hollywood for some updates. Now, already follow me on Instagram or X at the Calibet. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. It is a beautiful, sunny, and at the same time kind of chilly and windy day. For today, we're going to start our updates at CityWalk. We've seen a lot of stores close randomly over here at Universal CityWalk. I think the Raider store might be next. I don't recall them having blacked out like mirrors or walls. What's going on? Is this another one to bite the dust out here at CityWalk or what? We're on the second floor to just take a quick look at Escapology. We saw that signage that went up recently, and there's more signs to come. I can't wait till we get more info on this. I'm very excited for this experience. I don't know if I'll do all of the escape rooms, but most specific, the Batman one. That's the one I care about. Up next, we're taking a look at iFly. We saw lots of heavy machinery and stuff like that recently. But what's really going on right now is this gigantic hole that was created for iFly. What's going to happen with that thing? Taking a look now over here at Woody Parking Lot and what's going on. All this dirt being moved, which is good. Not really knowing what's to come here. But this does look like a big project. These walls go out pretty far. But the big update is this piece of dirt right here. Where is all that gonna go? I guess they're digging here. Very cool. Today we're gonna have an awesome day at Universal. I can't wait for you guys to see today's video. Now that we're done with all the updates over there at CityWalk, let's get to the theme park itself. For today's adventure, the main priority, WaterWorld. I finally get to watch WaterWorld. But also, lots of new track. Some epic pieces have gone up for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. So we're in for a treat. And I think we're going to have Villain, possibly, maybe even Junior later on in the day. We'll see. We're going to start off with the Universal Studios store because lots of Butterbeer stuff has arrived. We got a t-shirt. That one's being sold for $37. I thought it said $27, $37. We got this cool mug. Damn, this thing is heavy. Very cool. We got a flannel too. Butterbeer flannel. Damn, they got a sweater. They went all out. Got this cool placard. We got the hat. That's the back end. Oh, look at the lid. Wow, I thought this was Donkey Kong for a quick second, you know, with the barrels. But it's Butterbeer. This one's being sold for $35. Butterbeer magnet, hot or cold. Got this cool keychain. A pin with a patch. A pin? Wow, anything on the back of it? Oh, damn, that's fire. Really nice texture too on this long sleeve. They also got this like side body bag. This one's $50. If you know anybody that loves Butterbeer, send them this video that you're watching right now. They got to make their way out of Universal, get themselves a sweater, this like Butterbeer bucket. I think this one comes with candy, Butterbeer candy. But yeah, this merch is awesome. Taking a look at the wait times, everything's about 30 to 55. Transformers has gone down at the lower lot, and what we're hearing, it's going to be a pretty lengthy refurbishment. A lot of people are saying 4 months. If that's 4 months, that's a June. So we might not see Transformers for a minute. That sucks, but hey, they're giving it the love it needs. If it needs a refurb like that, can't wait to see it open up all shiny and hopefully all the projections looking clean. Just wanted to get different angles at this new track that has arrived. You can see it from the plaza. Look at that. Oh, my Lanta.
Family! Yeah, that's really crazy though.
Yeah. Hey, what do you think about FanFest? Do you feel like people, or not people, but like we need more info, or you're sold? Like, how do you feel about FanFest?
I mean,
because we got the Wicked characters recently, you know.
I think it's for people that are like looking to know more about FanFest. I just think it's going to be very character driven. That's about it. You know, it's like
that's a good thing.
The only thing that might be more than just the character experience, from what I hear, is going to be the Back to the Future.
Okay.
You know, that from what I hear, it could be all rumors. It could all be a meet and greet. But,
yeah.
That's the only thing I'm looking forward to. But I think there's nothing else to be said unless they do like a secret fireworks show we don't know of. You know.
I know. I keep wondering if there's more secrets.
Yeah, but
like if they add a couple more IPs that we just don't know about. You never know.
You know, they're still, I don't know.
Back to the Future is the one that sold you.
Yeah, what sold me in the beginning was Back to the Future.
Yeah.
Them adding like the Wicked stuff.
And doing Back to the Future at the lower or like in the studio too.
Yeah, it's just
that's
I don't
crazy.
know how that's gonna work out. I'm just saying that's the ticket is worth admission alone.
Just for that.
Just for that.
Wow, they have taken down a ton of scaffolding. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Very, very cool. Well, I can only assume this will come down very soon too. Look at this epic view now. So recently, you know, we've been seeing this track come to life, all this area, but now it goes like that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Damn. Oh my Lanta. Dude, how do you feel about this, dog?
Just getting chills just looking at this. This is a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be, like since the announcement day. Like the fact that Universal is doing all this, this
on a hill,
space.
on a hill,
it's just mind blowing. This ride looks bigger than any ride at Knott's. It's probably looking as big as a Ghost Rider. You know?
Wow. To see this now?
Nah, dude, it's insane.
What?
You can finally see the warehouse. Hey, it looks like LA warehouse is legit now.
Like a LA warehouse now?
Yeah, you know, like those older LA warehouses.
Oh my gosh. Also too, this chunk right here, which is gonna go over the street and connect right there. This piece went up. I'm assuming they're just gonna finish that off. Maybe in the next couple days. Wow. Wow. I just want to stare at it.
What is that shack though right there in the bottom?
The boxes?
Yeah, the shack. You see that little blue?
Electrical, a bunch of electrical. Yeah, just electrical stuff. All right, let's look down here. Anything new on this side? Hopefully they start doing stuff over here too. Because, you know, for all the track that we've seen right here, we still got a lot of track that's going to be in this area. So these wild debuts are not over. But man, that's beautiful. Wow. All right, we're going to be getting the escalator views now. Still not over how cool all this is. Absolutely wild. But what is this? What is this structure right here? We're getting the escalator views now of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Look at all that twisting and turning just right there. But we get a great angle at the new track that has arrived. Look at that. I just wanted to give different perspectives on this epic piece of track that has arrived. That is called a stall. And I feel like it's an optical illusion because that looks higher than this, but everybody keeps saying that that's higher. That is the highest point of the ride. Optical illusions right here. But man, so freaking cool. And we get a good look at this piece of track that arrived right there. That's going to connect to that one. Taking a look now on Escalator Hillside Project. We got some watering going down over here. It looks like a couple paths are being created by some heavy machinery. It's like right here. Just can't see it. We got lots of people talking. Who knows about what? But I'm just curious, like, what is this project? What is it?
Speaking of brothers,
Donkey.
my brother from another mother, the Mondo.
What's up?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Dude, beautiful day today.
Brother, way different. Me and Leslie were just saying last week it was a night and day difference.
I know.
Shrek, isn't that right? Isn't today much better? Mondo's here.
Oh,
Look,
Shrek.
Mondo's
Look
here.
at Shrek.
You gotta come say hi to Mondo.
Oh my God.
Mondo's here. Yeah, get you a hug, man. Get you a hug.
I love
say hi to
you.
Dylan. You see Dylan? You gotta say what's up to Dylan. Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know what?
Oh,
Shrek,
my
let's
God.
get a
Let's
picture
get a
with
picture.
Mondo.
Let's
Mondo
get a
doesn't
picture.
come
I just want to say thank you, Donkey and Shrek, for making my day. Absolutely wonderful Saturday. 5 fires to Shrek and Donkey. So cool. Bye, Scooby Gang. Solve all the mysteries. A sandwich? No.
Shaggy swears he lost it.
Oh, I think Scooby ate it. I'm just gonna take a guess. Have a good day. I just could not figure out how to watch WaterWorld. We just got informed that it hit capacity.
Dude,
that's how busy.
They're like, we closed early because of capacity. Look at that.
I can't watch WaterWorld. Every time I try to watch WaterWorld. All the way over there in Florida, they debuted the Magic Wands 2.0. So they're doing extra spells, and those spells look insane out there in Florida. I hope that kind of technology makes its way over here to Hollywood, because we would like new spells. Those 2.0 wands debuted at $90, so pretty hefty price, but everybody keeps saying it's super worth it. So I'm just hoping that stuff comes this way. It's be really cool, especially for my kid. He's growing up. He's gonna be a big Harry Potter fan. I already know it. He's gonna love those things. All right, we're gonna give this a second try. Let's go. Yeah, we're coming early though. Yeah, we're coming in early this time. Get to the candies!
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. That would have gone a whole lot further too. This kid distracted me. No, it's okay, it's okay. We might actually need these people. Gag this. Brothers and sisters! Hey, Deacon! You hear that? We are not your brothers and sisters. Am I right? Shut him up. Ah, you crashed my plane. Nevertheless, so who's gonna stop me now? You? Well, I don't think so. To stand on. No! Yes! I, Dean of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new one! You! I'm taking you with me!
How do you feel about WaterWorld coming back?
The show hits hard. It's amazing. The plane part is just like I felt a bigger boom than ever before. Like we were sitting in a not wet zone and the water even splashed us.
I know, we were all shocked on that one.
That was pretty shocked. I do see like a little bit of like audio going off here and there. It's when they had Fall Guy or something like that, the stunt show, the audio was like 10 times louder. I'll tell you that for sure.
The explosions were 10 times louder.
Everything was like louder. So I don't know if maybe they took a bunch of those parts in this remodel and we have to give it back type thing. I don't know what went on there, but the show itself, I mean, that's not gonna go nowhere. It's amazing. The explosions are cool. Right now is like the perfect time to see because like since it's like darker,
the 5 o'clock
just like
5 o'clock time was that slot was a good one.
Yeah, no, it's amazing.
Junior, what'd you think of WaterWorld?
Still the best to this day.
Dang.
To this day. But it's an awesome show, always fun. Without it, I don't know.
Not even Universal.
Not
anymore.
even Universal. I agree with Hector though. The audio issue was a little bit off.
Yeah.
But you know they'll get it going.
I think this is their first week back or second week.
Second
back?
week.
Yeah.
I think second week. Yeah.
They'll get it going.
Yeah, they'll get it going. But other than that, still the best show.
What an awesome day we had over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank gosh, we finally got to watch WaterWorld. It's still as great as I remember it. The explosions, the whole action scenes, it just hit the mark today. For me, that was a fire experience. You come to Universal Studios Hollywood, you cannot skip out on WaterWorld. You gotta do WaterWorld. But overall, the Fast and Furious coaster updates, all the updates in general, it's just been an amazing time out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you're a Universal Studios Hollywood fan, please subscribe. We got so much coverage for the rest of the year. It's gonna be a jam-packed year, especially come Fan Fest. Hearing lots of talks that more extensions could happen. They already added one day. Supposedly tickets are selling like hotcakes. They might add more. So my fandom pass that I bought just keeps getting better and better the more days they add because it's just more bang for our buck. So smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching Five Fires YouTube. Burn it down.